Hey guys, my name is Chris and I'm currently a final year medical student, and this video is all about note taking. I've tried many different forms of note taking, from writing on paper to typing them out and finally to using different note apps back when I bought my new iPad with the Apple Pencil. And I've come to tell you that I think that OneNote for iPad is the best of the lot. And it's the app that I have stuck with the longest, and I don't think I'll be moving on anytime soon. Even if you don't have a stylus or an Apple Pencil, I have tips for those who type on OneNote as well. OneNote is number one in my book for a number of reasons. The price, the fact that it's a Microsoft app, the features, the unlimited canvas, and we'll talk about that soon, and the seamless syncing between devices. So number one, shocker, it's completely free. The app itself is free. There are no additional features you need to pay for to use. So you get a complete, powerful app for free on any of your devices. You can't go wrong. And yeah, the fact that it's made by a big, reputable company like Microsoft means that your notes are safe and secure on the cloud, and that there are always going to be regular feature updates and security updates as well. Now on to the features of the app itself. When you open it, you get an idea of how its notebooks and sections function. So on the extreme left, we have our notebooks. Each notebook can open up into an unlimited amount of sections, as you can see here in the adult medicine notebook. And then each section will actually open up into an unlimited amount of pages. So in my opinion, that's enough sectioning to meet most people's needs. So let's open up a new page and dive into some of the features of OneNote. So for each page, you can choose whether you want the page to be ruled or not. So if you go into view, and on this symbol here, you can see that we have different sizes for the ruled lines. So you can use small, medium, and large. I take it medium. Since I write with a pencil, it most closely resembles that of paper. Now, one cool feature that I find especially useful is the Immersive Reader. So if I go on a note and I go on View and I click Immersive Reader, we can see that it converts my handwriting into text with the touch of a button. So you simply go into View, tap Immersive Reader, and as long as you've got decently legible handwriting, you now have text that you can copy over to another place if you need to. You can read it, and it does this with enough accuracy so it wouldn't be frustrating. So I can hold down any text, read it out, I can have it read out, I can have it copied. So Immersive Reader is really cool, and it's totally free. What is unique about OneNote is the way that its pages work. So OneNote has one infinitely scrollable page both horizontally as well as vertically. So that's one page that you're writing on. And so the notes aren't separated by any fixed size page. Now some people like that about note apps, that you can have one page. However, I prefer this for the uninterrupted reading afterwards. I'm also not constricted by size, so if I want to insert something like a large picture, I can do so without worrying that I'll have to put in a new page to fit this picture and separate my notes and all that stuff. And if writing is not your forte, OneNote incorporates all of the basic functions of Word as well. So you have access to a truckload of fonts, you have your preloaded styles, and well, right now I am connected my iPad to my external keyboard and mouse, so I'm using it as a kind of a laptop. So you can make tables as well. If you go and insert, you can make tables, insert pictures, you can insert audio clips, files, PDFs, and also very cool from Word, you can insert your equations. So very handy if you need to type in a quick equation, it's already formatted for you. Alright, so quick equations. And yes, we have stickers as well. Why not? It's 2020. So what is especially cool about OneNote is that you can click anywhere and immediately create a text box with a preloaded set of fonts. If you click anywhere else on the canvas, you make another text box with a totally different formatting. So I can take this, select it, and change the font. Let's just change it here. So I've changed the font, and these text boxes are freely movable anywhere. So I can move them about. I can resize, I can reshape, I can move them about, so it's really customizable. Finally, OneNote is available on all platforms, and this is a major win for me personally, since I rock an Android phone, an iPad, as well as a Windows computer, and OneNote can seamlessly sync over all of them without any hitches. Obviously, if you use only one type of device, say Apple devices, another app like Notability would provide the same utility for you, so this may not affect everyone. All in all, OneNote is a super solid note-taking app that can adapt to suit most people, instead of the other way around where the consumer has to change to conform to the app. It certainly gets the job done from a student's perspective, and it's free, so you should give it a try if you haven't already. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and sub if you really enjoyed it. Until the next one, boom!